Well, our love story begins 9 years ago when Sam and Elyssa met at a friend's party. Next day, they went on a hike and got to know each other. A week later, they had their first official date, and folks, the rest is history. As things progressed for them, Elyssa found Sam to be kind and family-oriented. He places her first and loves her family. She loves that he is willing to travel every year to new places and exploring new things. But what really won her over was the fact that he learned her native language and showed her how much he wanted to understand her background, and her culture. Elyssa knows that Sam is the one for her. For Sam, he appreciated how smart Elyssa is and that she's driven and hardworking. She takes great care of him, her family, and those she loves. Elyssa shows him he truly matters every day by doing the little things and paying attention to the details. But what really won him over is that she loves to eat as much as he does. Sam can't imagine a life without her.
You're my best friend, my soulmate, and the love of my life. I promise to stand by you through every challenge, celebrate every joy, and cherish every moment in between.
They say good things take time, and I guess great things take even longer. I promise to support you through the highs and the lows, to stand by you in every season of life. And yes, I even promise to let you be right sometimes, even when we both know I'm always right.
By the power vested in me in the state of Oregon, after 9 years, finally I get to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Seeing their good relationship to each other. And if there's one thing we all know about Sam, it's that this man is ridiculously, hopelessly in love with Eli.
Today, I'm not losing my beloved daughter. I'm gaining another son.